Did you know Victoria Falls, straddling the border of Zimbabwe and Zambia, is known as the smoke that thunders here? The largest sheet of falling water in the world drops 108 meters 354 feet along an incredible width of 1,708 meters 604 feet. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a marvel of nature, with its sheer width and volume creating a spectacle that's truly unique. During the wet season, over 500 million liters of water plunge over the edge every minute. Victoria Falls, a natural wonder, a thunderous symphony of water and mist. Experience the magic. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing nature facts.